If your dog suddenly develops a red, inflamed, or oozing patch of skin, chances are it's a hot spot. These painful sores can appear almost overnight and cause serious discomfort. Also known as acute moist dermatitis, hot spots on dogs are one of the more common dog skin issues. This guide breaks down what causes them, how to identify them, and most importantly, how to get rid of dog hotspots fast with the help of topical and internal solutions like probiotics for dogs. Hotspots can be triggered by a variety of internal and external irritants. Understanding the root cause is key to treating the issue and preventing it from coming back. Common causes of hotspots on dogs include flea bites or mite infestations, allergies, whether food or environmental, ear infections or otitis, media tue, excessive licking or chewing due to boredom, anxiety, or pain, moisture buildup from swimming or rain, matted fur or poor grooming, insect bites and stings, minor injuries, grazes or scratches, skin infections like bacterial pyoderma or fungal overgrowth, atopic dermatitis, stress or boredom-induced licking, anal gland issues. In short, anything that causes your dog to itch, scratch, or lick obsessively can create the perfect storm for a hotspot to develop. Dog hotspots typically appear as raw, red, moist patches of skin. They may ooze pus or clear fluid, have a foul odor, be warm or swollen to the touch, and be surrounded by matted fur or hair loss. Common areas affected include the belly, back, legs, neck, face, and tail base. If your dog is biting or licking one area non-stop, give it a closer look. Hotspots can worsen rapidly without treatment. You might be thinking, is there anything I can give my dog to prevent hotspots? The answer is yes, and it starts from the inside. Dinovite provides nutritional support that helps strengthen your dog's skin, balance their microbiome, and reduce inflammatory responses. Here's how. Probiotics for dogs support gut health, which is closely linked to immune balance and skin condition. An imbalanced gut can lead to inflammation and poor nutrient absorption, both of which increase the risk of skin issues. Zinc and omega fatty acids in Dinovite promote healthy skin and coat, making it harder for irritants to penetrate the skin barrier. Dried kelp and alfalfa provide essential vitamins and minerals that reduce inflammation and support healing. While Dinovite won't treat an active hotspot directly, it can dramatically reduce your dog's chances of getting recurring hotspots. To treat an existing hotspot, you need a multi-step approach that soothes the skin, prevents infection, and addresses the root cause. First, clip the fur around the hotspot to expose the area to air and prevent matting. Second, clean the area with a gentle antiseptic wash or saline solution. Third, apply a hotspot spray for dogs or cream to soothe itching and reduce bacteria. Fourth, prevent further licking using a cone or recovery collar. And finally, identify the underlying cause, whether it's allergies, fleas, boredom, and address it with vet guidance or long-term support like Dinovite. Look for a hotspot spray for dogs that includes chlorhexidine or hypochlorous acid for antibacterial action, lidocaine or pramoxine for itch relief, and aloe vera or witch hazel to reduce inflammation naturally. Tip: avoid alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. They can sting and delay healing. There are two routes to go: at-home care for mild cases and veterinary care for more severe infections. Mild hotspot, treat at home with cleaning and spray a cone to prevent licking and probiotics or supplements like Dinovite to help prevent recurrence. If your dog's hotspot is more severe or appears infected, it's crucial to visit the vet. They may prescribe antibiotics or steroid treatment to help manage the condition. For chronic issues, the vet might also recommend a skin culture or allergy testing to identify underlying causes. Benadryl, or diphenhydramine, can help reduce itching and inflammation caused by allergies, which might be contributing to the hotspot. Always, and I mean always, consult your vet for the correct dosage and ensure your dog has no contraindications, such as glaucoma or heart disease. Can you put Neosporin on a dog's hot spot? Well, in small amounts and for short-term use, Neosporin can be applied. But honestly, it's not ideal. Dogs tend to lick it off, which can cause digestive upset or delay healing. It's better to use products formulated specifically for dogs, like a hot spot spray designed just for them. My dog is constantly getting hot spots, and I don't know what to do. Chronic hot spots are a sign of an underlying issue. Here's what you should do. Check for fleas and parasites, rule out food allergies, try a limited ingredient diet, use a probiotic supplement like Dinovite. Keep your dog clean and dry, especially after swimming or baths, and watch for stress or anxiety triggers. If you've tried everything and your dog still gets hot spots, it's time to consult a dermatologist for allergy testing or specialized care. Is a hot spot an emergency? While hot spots aren't life-threatening, they can escalate quickly. If your dog can't stop scratching, shows signs of pain or lethargy, or has pus, bleeding, or fever, go to the vet right away. Left untreated, a hot spot can become a serious skin infection. Best hot spot treatment for dogs. The best treatment is one that addresses both the symptoms and the root cause. Here's your go-to toolkit. Topical spray or ointment, cone collar, probiotic supplement like Dinovite, allergy support, flea and tick prevention, and of course grooming and hygiene. Consistency is key, especially when dealing with environmental or seasonal allergies. How to treat hot spots on dogs at home. If your dog has a mild hot spot, follow these home care steps. First, trim the hair around the area. Then, clean gently with antiseptic. Next, apply a dog-safe hot spot spray. Use a cone to prevent licking. Monitor closely for signs of infection. And finally, add a daily supplement like Dinovite for long-term skin support. Are hot spots on dogs contagious? No, hot spots are not contagious to humans or other pets. However, the underlying cause, like fleas or mange, might be. Always wash hands after treating and keep affected dogs away from group grooming or play until they're healed. Hot spots on dogs are painful, messy, and frustrating. But with the right care, they don't have to keep coming back. A combination of topical treatment, cone collars, and internal support like probiotics for dogs can make a huge difference. Dinovite helps nourish your dog's skin from the inside out, reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and supporting long-term healing. Pair it with a quality hot spot spray for dogs' proper grooming and allergy management for best results. Ready to help your pup feel better fast? Start with Dinovite and give your dog the daily support they need to stop the scratch for good.